Good morning, class 7A. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn graphics in QBasic. Let's have some fun in graphics. Okay, let's have some color in graphics. So, and also some of loopings program you might have seen in earlier videos. And once we clear this graphics, we will do uh, once again we will revise loopings and all. I'll send some more videos to you for loopings, but today let us start a new topic, that is graphics. Okay, so here in this graphics you have to understand about your screen, about your console. So right now what screen you are seeing here, this all screen MS Word, what you are seeing, this screen is filled up of what? Pixels. Okay, that's why it be able to output different types of graphics, right? So here this one QBasic, in this one it is having two mode, text mode and graphics mode. Is it okay? So what is this text mode and graphics mode will do? Okay, so let me explain it to you. See, text mode, where we are going to write the text only, and here your screen will go like this. It consists of columns, okay, like this way, and it consists of columns and rows like this. So your column will be like this way. Here you see, let's suppose I'm writing here C D, let's suppose print command. Okay, print command. So this print command is here. Then graphics mode, again you in graphics mode your screen will be divided into pixels. Okay, like this way, pixels, like this way, pixels. Okay, so here in this one you check, you see this is pixel, like this way, pixel. Okay, so in text mode you are going to write text commands, and in row, this one pixel mode, you are going to have a colored tiny dot. Understand, like this way, screen is having a color tiny dot like this way. More number of dots means more good resolution. Okay, like this, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to show you a graphics mode here. See, in the graphics mode of your screen, the matrix of pixel will be as shown below. Here you see, this is, I had drawn a simple matrix here of pixels. Understand, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so I'm going to count from here to here. This is 7 rows. This one I am not going to count. Okay, this is not there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So this will be, what is that, 24 from here to here. So 24 pixels are there in column side and 7 pixels are there in row side. This one is column side, this one is row side. Done so? Okay, so total number of pixel this picture can be able to output is, what is that, 24 into 7. So this is known as resolution. Okay, so this resolution means what? It is the total number of pixel your console is capable of outputting at a time, right? Okay, you might have heard in your camera and mobile and all, 7 megapixel, 4 megapixel camera, like that. So this is the same thing, total number of dots. Okay, now come back to here. By default, by default QBasic will run in text mode. If you will not do anything, this QBasic is going to run in what? Text mode. Okay, so this text mode is what? Text mode is where you are going to write the commands, right? So now again see, to in order to run the graphics mode, what is required? It required a screen statement. Okay, what is that screen statement? Screen statement will convert your text mode, which is by default of QBasic, to graphics mode, understand? So this screen mode is having here, this is given in your book also, you go and check it out. You write to screen 0, that is, what is that? Text mode. And total number of color is what? 16. Then screen 1, 2, like that. Here this 320 by 200 pixels. What is the meaning of 320 by 200 pixels? Like this way, this one is column, this one is row. So like this way, how many dots will be there? Like this way, this will be 320. Okay, and like this way, how many dot will be there? This will be 200. For this mode I'm talking about, the screen 1 I'm talking about. Okay, and again here you see, then screen 8 is there, then all. So you can select any screen, but screen 9 is the best one for graphics, understand? Here is screen 9. This is screen 9. Okay, in this screen 9, what is there? uh, this number of column and this number of rows are there, is it? So let have a statement of color here now. Then what color we are going to have? So here you see every color is having a code in QBasic. See, I had drawn some color here and then code. See, if color is not matching exactly, nothing to worry about that. You try and understand. So if I say red color, then red is what? 4, right? So color, and then here I am going to write the color code of that. Clear? Then here you see, suppose I have to see color, syntax is what? Color, and then you write here foreground color, and then here you write background color. Okay, so here you see this color, 4 is the foreground color and 6 is the background color for this. What is foreground? Red color. And what is yellow? Background color. Then color 4 is what? It is in red color, so foreground color is red. And here you see color 0 and 6. 0 is what? Black color, and 6 is what? Foreground color, right? So this is there. Now let here you can draw a line by using line statement. So if you have to draw line, then you have to use this line statement. And what is special about this line? That you have to follow your two things. Suppose I have to draw a line like this, okay, from here to here. So this line, this one is having its starting coordinate, where to start, and this is having its ending coordinate, where to end, starting as well as ending, right? So what is the starting coordinate? I had written here as x1 and then y1. Here I had written here x2 and then y2. Okay, so this starting is here x1 like this way. Suppose this is the pixel like this, okay, and this is the pixel like this. So let's suppose this one is here coming 5 and this one is coming here 10. So what will be the value of this x1 y1? 5 and then 10. So your line will start from 5 and 10 and it will go till here. Let's suppose this one is coming 50. Okay, so here this 10 remains same. So this x2 y2 will become, what is that? 50 and then 10. Done? Okay, so from starting here, line will start and here line is going to end. Okay, done. Now next, see, I had written line x1 to y1. So line is having two more command, understand, two more attributes you can say in that command, C and then B and filled bold, is it? So what these commands are there, I'm going to show it to you, then you'll be able to understand. Here you see, C is color code, what color you want to give. B is box type, you want to have a box like this way. So if you have a box like this way, then this first coordinate of this one and last coordinate of this one is required. These two are not required. These two are not required. First one and last one box. And then this one box filled type. Okay, so if you write here BF here box filled, then it will be filled with what? Color. It will be filled with what? color. Okay, done. Now next come back here. Here I had given here uh, matrix I had drawn here where number of columns are here till 24 and here 1 to 13. Is it rows are 1 to 13 and this is 1 to 24. Okay, so in this one I had drawn three lines. In this one I had drawn three lines. First line is this one, second line is this one, and third line is this one. Okay, so for the first line you see starting is what 2 2 and it is ending with 23 2 23 2 ending is here. Then second one is 2 4 starting is 2 and then it is starting from 4. See 2 4 here and then ending with 2 12. Here you see this is 2 and this is 12 here. It is ending. Okay, and third one is what line is 5 5. See I had not given here red color. I will do so. It is starting from this 5, this 5 and this 5 and ending with 13 13, ending with 13 13, is it? So let me give first that 5 so that it will be cleared. Okay, now you see about this line. Okay, so see the blue line. I had given one is blue color. I had given 6, then that is yellow color, then 4 that is red color, is it? Done so. Now come back here for making rectangle. For making rectangle use see B type. B means box type or BF means what filled box type. So what these are there, see I had drawn a rectangle here. Okay, line, but here one I had given this first address of this one and I had given here last address as this one. Okay, and I had given one for blue color and B for box. So you see it has gone like this way box. In the second one 15 15 I had given here 15 15 and then here I had given 21 11. 21 11 is here and here color is what 6 and here bold filled. So this is filled with what bold. This is filled with bold color. Done so. So here color will come, what color you are going to put, and here what color you are going to put, a rectangle is going to come. Okay, so I am going to show you this one in practical. Let's go to QBasic platform. Let us start QBasic, understand? So I am going to open the QBasic. You see this is QBasic. Okay, now here what is that? I am going to write, suppose I am going to write here, clear the screen, then I am going to write here screen 9. Okay, then let's have a color. Let's have a, I'm going to write color, let's see, screen 9, then I'm going to write here color, COLOR, not UR, color. I'm taking 4 is the red color. Okay, you check in your book what the code is given there. Is it 4 is the red color? Then I am going to print something. I am printing, I am writing here hello class 7A. Then I am going to make a end statement here. So according to the concept here, what is that? It should go in what? Red color. I am going to run this. See, a red color is coming. Okay, now can I have a background? For background I will go where? I will go here, comma 6 is what? Yellow color. So now check with yellow background, that is coming. Okay, now come back here. Suppose to have a new line, I have to draw with some color. Then what to do? I am going to have a line here. So line command I am going to use line, and the first coordinate I am going to take here 5 and then I am going to take here 20, is it? And the second coordinate I am going to take here, let's suppose 300. 300, or let's suppose I'm taking it to 200. Okay, and then I'm going to take here 20. Okay, let's draw this. See, a straight line is coming. Got it? So now what is that? I want to have a color of this line. So color I can give here 4 red color. Now check it out, it is coming in red color. Done. So like that way you can create so many different I, uh, type of lines, is it? So if I'm going to change the row here, row I'm going to change to let's suppose 200, is that? Then you check where 200 row is there, one vertical line is coming. Then again if I am going to take here in terms of uh, B means box type, so you check here, it is coming in box type. Okay, then if I'm going to write here in this one box filled type, then you just check box filled is coming according to you. I can create one more rectangle inside that. For that, what to do? I have to write here line. Okay, I want to go inside, so in this one I am going to add uh, I'm going to add 20 here, is it? So I'm going to write 25, and here I'm going to write here what, 40, and in this one I am going to decrease 25, so I'm going to write here 175, then here 175. Okay, then I'm writing here 4, then here I'm writing here box filled. I'm not giving 4 color, I'm giving 6 yellow color, so that you'll be able to see. Just check. Is it? Okay, graphics is good. I can have a one more command here. See, suppose I am going to give you a line command, then again I am going to add here 25, so this will become 50, and this will become 65. Then here I will go here, then here I am going to decrease 25, so 150 comma 150. Then I am going to get here again a red color or any other color. Let's take green color. Green is 2. Then I am writing a box filled type. Check the magic. Good. Last one I am going to do. That it's looking good, interesting. Line. Then I am going to add 25 more here, so this becomes 75, and this become 85. Here it become, I think I'm go here 90, then let's see, center is coming, and here I will decrease 25, so here 125 and here 125. I go with red color. Red color is what, 4. Then I go with bold filled. Yeah, done. So like that way you can make graphics in your programming, right? So now let's go back to this here. So what we have learned today graphics. In that graphics we have learned pixels, we have learned screen command, we have learned color command, we have learned line command, how to draw the line, how to have a box type, how to have a box fill type. Okay, so that's all for today's class. I want that you revise, you see your book, write these notes in your copy. Okay, and in the next time we are going to do circle, we are going to do um, a different type of other lines. We are going to do some uh, e- let's suppose like that triangle, we are going to draw a hut. These are all things I am going to show you in the next class, right? So be safe, class. Okay, okay, have a nice day, God bless you, is it?